Welcome. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to activate your METTLER TOLEDO DataBridge software manually for devices offline. To begin, launch the DataBridge software application on your device. Once the application is open, select Activate at the bottom of the page. If you do not see the Activate button, the software has already been activated. In the top left corner, select Activate manually. You will need to input your license ID and password in the designated fields. You will have received this in an email. After entering the required information, click on the Generate button to proceed. In Step 2, save the generated text to your preferred mode of transfer, for example, a USB drive. Take it to a computer with internet access. While online, select Open Activation Web Page. Once the License Portal web page opens, look for the section labeled Upload Request File. Click on Choose File and select the file you just saved. After the file is uploaded, click Submit to proceed. Download the response generated to your preferred mode of transfer and return to the DataBridge application on the offline device. In the box labeled Open or Paste Activation Code, click Open and select the file you just downloaded. Finally, click Submit to continue. Once you receive a prompt confirming that your activation was successful, simply click OK to move forward.